In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get new free hair and items in Roblox. Now, this video is currently working, so be sure to watch this whole video the whole way through. Pay close attention so you can get all of these freebies into your account. Now, the first thing we want to do is we want to search for this game. It's called Blueberry Fashion World. This one here. You want to go to this one here. And we want to press play. Now this is going to give you an item, so I'm going to press let's go. Basically you want to follow this arrow and you see everybody is going there. Literally everybody is running to get there. So we want to go there to get the item. As you can see, everybody is going there because they know that the item's here. So we need to teleport. It's a bit hard because there's so many people. Just look for the teleport button. Trying to find it. Oh, okay, I got it. Cool. Now once you go in here, you can see the bottom right of my screen. I've just earned one of their badges. I've just earned one of their items, which is pretty cool. So that's the first way that you can do it. You've got that item there. You can I wonder if I can see it. I can't see it here, but you can get it. If you go in here as well, you can. They have a lot of cool items that you can actually buy in here. So if you just want to walk around, these are ones that you can actually pay for. But as I said, they do give you one free one anyway, which is very, very cool. So walk around here, nice. Now the next way you can get it is a item drop, or that's going to be happening soon. So I'll show you it. It's this one here. It's called the Long Side Swept Malibu Waves Blonde and Hot Pink. So basically this is going to come out for free on the 1st of August. They're going to be giving out 10,000 of them, I believe. So yeah, just look at this one here, and on the 1st of August, if you go to this one on the Roblox website, you'll be able to get it. They usually sell them for 50 Robux, but they're going to give 10,000 of these away for completely free. So just pay close attention and you'll be able to get this. And that's basically everything. Now with that being said, be sure to like, subscribe and comment down below that this helped. Thank you for watching.